Hi! Welcome back mga kakusina! Welcome sa Eya's Kitchen Recipe. Ito yung ating recipe ngayon. Creamy beef and mushroom. So una, nagpainit lang ako ng pan. Tapos syempre maglalagay lang tayo ng cooking oil. And then lulutuin natin yung beef. Ito, nung binili ko siya sa supermarket, naka-chop na siya. So na-dice na. Yung naririnig nyo pala sa background, yan yung aking 8-year-old. So, pinapanood niya ako kapag nagluluto. Dito, maglalagay lang tayo ng salt tsaka pepper. Tapos, haluin lang natin itong maigi para mag-incorporate na siya sa ating niluluto. Itong beef pala, masyadong matigas to kapag hindi siya masyadong naluto. So, lulutuin lang natin ito ng tamang-tama lang. Niluto ko pala siya ng mga 15 minutes ito 15 to 20 minutes, medium to high heat. Tapos, haluin lang natin maigi para maluto yung ating mushroom. At ang nilagay ko pala na butter is salted butter. So, mag-a-adjust na lang ako mamaya para hindi masyadong maalat. Tapos, dalawa na cooking cream yung ating gagamitin para rich and creamy yung ating beef mushroom.
Tax? Mama, you were literally putting two whole full cream. What? Look, it's literally surrounded.
So ayan, meron akong nakabantay sa akin habang nagluluto tayo nito dahil gusto daw niyang tikman yung mushroom. And then dito, maglalagay lang tayo ng grated Parmesan cheese. So yung taste ng Parmesan cheese is medyo maalat. So tansyahin nyo lang yung tamang timpla, yung tamang alat nung niluluto natin. Ayan, so madali lang mag-melt yung ating cheese. So after 1 minute, ganito na siya.
Yeah.
Melted na.
Meat. Putting back the meat.
Then, ibalik lang natin yung meat sa pan para ma-absorb niya yung
The meat
ating
is
white
cream.
sauce.
That means it's gonna be white when you give it to us. Mama, can you give some mushrooms? Mom, can you give me some mushrooms, please?
Alright.
Let me taste the cream now. Mama, let me taste it too. Mama, let me taste it too, please. Mama, let me taste it too.
Yes, I'll give it to you.
The cream, Mama, can you just give me? I want to have a little bit too. A little sip. Little sip, Mama. Come on.
Little sip.
Yep. Mama, that tastes like the thing that.
So we're gonna put this.
Mama, I want to taste some more cream. Mama, that cream tasted
A little
like.
bit of parsley.
Mama, that cream tasted like the thing that you gave me in a old house. That you cooked me for the old house, Mama. Let me have a bit more sip. A little bit more.
1 to 2 more minutes and then you can.
Let me sip it.
So, eto na. Ready na natin i-serve yung ating creamy beef mushroom.